Hello, this is Muneeb, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon. And here we are back again on Amazon Seller Central. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys about how you can easily add apps and services on your Amazon account. Simply go to the menu, and in the menu, you will see apps and services section. And in the apps and services, simply go to Selling Partner App Store. Click on it. This will open a new window. See, from here you can add the apps, Jungle Scout, Printful, Scout, OneShipBox as per your needs. For example, Jungle Scout is for help find profitable products and all. Some other apps are there as well, like Keepa, SailorAmp, Helium 10, and many more. And most of them, 99% of them are paid apps. And if you want to manage the apps that you have already downloaded, simply go to the apps and services again and click on manage your apps. From here you can manage all the apps that you have downloaded. This is a new account and I haven't downloaded any apps here. And then again about the services, click on explore services. This opens a new window. See, here are the services that multiple agencies are offering. If let's say we are going with account management, see here are some companies that are offering account management. From here you can hire them easily to manage your account. And again, apps and services. From here you can see the services request that you have sent to different companies and all. So I hope you guys have understood how you can add apps and services in your Seller Central. That's it for today. I'll catch you guys in another video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.